Sentry sirens here today. Today we're doing a test. My mini sentry. Posted it on my YouTube channel, doing its previous alert and attack test. Don't mind the messed up wiring. I gotta have somebody come out there and fix my wiring. I have it connected to my house's old siren. That's where my normal sirens, I don't usually put them up right there. The wiring has a slit and the siren does not wobble, so I gotta figure out why, because most of your sentries, some of them wobble, if you know. Not all of them wobble. But yeah, I got hooked up some of those controls. It's not doing manual. I'm running it through my system controllers here. It already did its noon blast, so it's sending down as you may know, because it waned when it did its noon blast. So yeah. Something's doing something. Sending through FSK. There we go. Sorry. My thing. I used random voices, so bear with me. Here we go. Sorry guys, we can't do that. 1 second. Tree crashed my computer. Sorry guys, my computer crashed. It's awful windy for some reason. Here we go. Sorry if my camera's not the best. It's because the wind. But you'll get to see sentry. I may not have that wired up to something. I may just wire it up myself. Let's also make sure we like and subscribe. I'm trying to post new videos every day to make my channel grow, but I may not post. I may have to stop posting because I won't be having something for a while. I'll try to post the videos still. I'll try to keep you all updated on my siren stuff and stuff. So I'm not gonna talk. So my voice blends in really good sometimes. So I'm gonna stop talking. Here we go. So it's not done yet, guys. So it's just gotta go through its alert cycle. Which I'm FSKing it in now, so it should alert any second. Enjoy alert. By the way, this is the last signal that I can run it through because I have people that live in this white house right here. There. Sorry, that's not me, that's my computer. My computer's talking. There's people. I forgot this video I like, so it is sadly, it's added to my videos already. It's doing a very long, not long alert. I might need to stand over here since I need to be able to turn it off if it doesn't turn itself off. I don't know. I might just bring tomorrow when it does a snooze test. I'll leave this into the garage and bring out the FSK tool. I may not need it because sometimes it likes to kick itself on, but if I don't, I'll bring out the FSK tool and I'll leave that in. This is just a monitor for the chopper. So yeah, I'll tell you what those do in a little while once it gets done testing. So enjoy. Jet! Screw you, bird! Sorry. Cones are a little smushed because I couldn't get them on, so I had to make it look like a broken sentry. One second. I'll be right back, guys. But yeah, guys, that was the test of my mini sentry. Now you all want to see me dismount it, so thank you for doing that. Power did disconnect itself. I gotta disconnect it from its power. It wasn't even hooked up. Oh, now it's disconnected. So, I gotta get a wireman out there to fix that. But yeah, I'll tell you what these does. This is a monitor for my controller electricity. I use this when it gets low, but I may have to use that one for tomorrow because I need to keep an eye on the electricity on the controls because it sometimes they do go out, so yeah. This is the FSK starter and of course your cancel. The FSK is the bottom, and then you got the The attack is this one, and alert is this one. Just start. And then, I don't have whale on here yet. This is not a whale controller. I can't activate whale yet because I don't have it. So, yeah. I'm not making a video 1 hour already, so put these on up and with the sentry. But yeah, guys, not gonna keep you. We had some lightning this morning, thunderstorm. Then we did it, and it sounded off this morning. Let's hide it up. But yeah, guys, like more episodes, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.